Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and if you're new, please subscribe and join the hashtag Growth Squad. And if you're not new, thank you so much for clicking to watch another one of my videos. So today's video is a vlog. As you can see, this is the episode 3 of my entrepreneurial life. So I've got some new inventory. Like, I'm expecting like 4 packages this week for my business, like 4 packages, and it's Thursday today, so I don't really know. I got 2 today. I have 2 left. Like, this 2 is the same product, but the vendor shipped it like in 2 different packages, so I'm expecting 2 more. I think one should come tomorrow, Friday, and I don't know when the last one is gonna come, but hopefully it doesn't exceed, because Monday is bank holiday, and if it doesn't come on Friday or Saturday, it's come on Tuesday, and that's long. So this is what one, like, something I like about this vendors is that they package it really well. This is what it looks like. When I open it up, you guys will see what's inside. So this vlog is just gonna be like however long it takes my parcel to come, because each day it comes, I would what's it called, I would vlog and open the packages just so I can show you guys my new products. And by the way, I got myself some shoes. Pang! Let me show you. I need like suggestions on how to like store my inventory, because it's getting a lot. I have 2 new products, like new products coming, like 3 new products coming, and I already have like 5 products already. Like, it's just a lot. It's a lot. And now I'll be adding do-rags as well. I've got some products like next to my bed. I just need like a trolley or something where I can store the product. So yeah, that's it for today, I think, hopefully. Hi guys, so it is Friday now, and I got my second parcel. Oh god. So I got my second parcel. I'll show you guys after. I'm waiting for one more now, and I think it should come tomorrow. So yeah, thing I must say is that like everything is always properly packaged, at least for all the vendors I use. Hi guys, so it is Tuesday today. Why do I look so... That's better. So it is Tuesday today, and remember how I mentioned that if my package doesn't come on Friday or Saturday, it wasn't gonna come on Monday. It didn't. I gave myself false hope, so I got my last package. And like I said before, they pack the stuff really nice. This is all the bubble wrap. So now I'll just show you guys my new products. Like, if you follow me on my Instagram, actually on S Cosmetics Instagram, you would have seen this product, but let me just show you, because I'm nice like that, and that's the whole point of this video. So the first product that came on Thursday were these do-rags. This is a lot, like in here as well. So I got 7 colors. By like when they come out of that, it looks like this. They're silk, just looks like that. And this is the red one. So those are the 2 I own for now. So I got the black one, the orange one, the dark blue one, yellow, red, light pink. Got this really nice wine color and white. So that is the do-rag. That's the first product. This is the one that I'm extremely gassed about, and it is this really cute bag. It is so cute. Just look at that. To just pop up like that. So I got this color. I got this blue one. This is not as holographic or multicolored as the other ones, but this is just like a matte. It's not matte, but it's cute as well. It's really nice. This gold one. This is cute. Like, I wanted to get a black one, but now I'm actually glad I didn't get a black, because black is just gonna be boring. I love the ones I got, and yeah, and it came like that, and this was on top like that, with bubble wrap all around it, obviously. So that is my second product. And lastly, the one I got today, lots of bubble wrap, but it's good for me anyways because I can reuse them. Edge brushes. So they come in these 5 colors: light pink, purple, white, dark pink, and black. They just look like that, and they're just really cute, and I love them. And each of them come individually wrapped as well, so good for me. So that is all my new products. My excitement is finally over, but it was worth it anyways. So yeah, that's my new inventory, my new products. So enjoy the rest of the video. I would just quickly like to document this. This is one of the largest orders I've ever gotten. The person ordered the royalty gloss, crystal gloss, showstopper highlight, candy floss lip scrub, and the makeup bag, and everything is £18. 13. Bloody. Thank you, Kennedy. You're so cute. Like, whoa, I am humbled. I am literally humbled. So guys, this is everything the girl ordered. I just added candy floss as extra. Oh sorry, she ordered the candy floss. I added strawberry lip scrub as an extra. This is just everything she ordered. Actually, let me check again. She ordered a royalty gloss, crystal gloss, check. Showstopper highlight. Is it actually showstopper? Yep. Showstopper, candy floss, and dark pink makeup bag. This one. So that is everything she ordered. So this is our thank you card, and at the back I just wrote everything the order contains. Look at the way I spelled scrub, please. I've actually lost it. Anyway, she gets the point. Yeah, let's get packing. guys, order your bags. Okay, ciao. Good night. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said earlier, if you have any questions or any video ideas, let me know in the comment section below. And your will is my command, or your wish is my command? Wish. Your will or wish is my command. Actually, not really. Yeah, that's it, guys. I've got 3 bags left. The dark pink ones are going really, really fast. So if you like them, order them now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mind your business. Bye.